Welcome Texas Coast Sportsman. I'm Aaron, your host. The wind has laid down. We launched this morning, wind was howling. Storms kind of blew all around us, but never hit us. Granted, it does look a little wet and dark kind of behind us, so we'll see what happens there. But you know what? I'm in the water, so a little rain's not going to run me off. But got a lot of bait moving around. Hooked up one tiny little red, but let's see if we can't find his big brother. Got him. I'm down. That, you were probably the smallest little red that I've ever caught. Trout. Oh, nice trout. Nice trout. Oh, look at you. Calm down. You choke it. Oh my gosh. You choked it. That is a nice trout. Yeah. I'm gonna have to harvest you. You are not gonna get the option to go back. So 19 and a half, just pushing 19 3/4. Give me a bath, huh? Flounder. Guys, I'm just out here taking it easy. Not really paying attention. Get myself popped by a little flounder here. Nice. Oh, you're a nice flounder. 14 inches? Oh, oh yeah, buddy. 16. Do you think I can get a slam? So, we've got a trout, we've got a flounder. We just need a redfish for a Texas slam. Conditions are beautiful. Looks like some rain out that way, but I ain't worried about it. So, let's see if we can get that Texas slam. I wasn't even looking. Wasn't even looking. Well guys, all things considered, been a great day out here. Wasn't gonna let the rain run me off, but you know what? Yeah, it hasn't stopped. The wind's hardly blowing, so it's not like gonna stop. It's not like it's going anywhere. Good day though. Good day. Got a trout I'm gonna harvest. He swallowed it. I originally wasn't planning on keeping fish today, but he swallowed it. So I'm gonna harvest him, and since I do have to dirty a knife, the nice flounder that came along, we're gonna take him too. I didn't get my slam, didn't get that redfish, but I'm not counting that little bitty rinky-dink thing. But it was a good day. So, as always, okay, I think that one hit me in the eye. As always, like, share, subscribe, help me grow the channel, and I hope to see you out on the water. You hear that? I hear fish.